Welcome to my channel, The Right Direction. Now I'm going to speak about the topic My Greatest Olympic Prize by Jesse Owens. That is second, unit second. And you know that anger is the worst enemy. That definitely it will derail you. ତମକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ତଳକୁ ତଳକୁ ନେଇଯାଏ. Because in cricket or any kind of sport, one term is sledging, teasing. This term, if arises, definitely it will break down. It will collapse the career of a sports star. That means you should be determined not to do. You must have one aim, one business, and one desire to achieve the success and to receive a medal. But what happens in most of the games, most of the sports stars wanted to tease and taunt you. As a result of which, it will derail you and it will totally disconcentrate and distract you from that particular point of game or your concentration. Wherever your concentration को use करिया ପାଇଁ, that is the method used by the opponents. Opponents माने सदाबले सेटा को use करନ୍ତି. An angry athlete from the very beginning, the author is telling an angry athlete who will make mistakes. Definitely, if you try to make mistake, if you angry, not only in sports, but also in education, but also in reading, but also in concentrating all these things. As any coach will tell you, I was no exception. Here he is telling every coach that is the teaching from the very beginning. They know, they teach about you the discipline, the concentration, the determination not to distract. Only your particular aim, just like Arjun in Mahabharata, how he shoot the arrows properly, purely, perfectly. That's why one of the first of my three qualifying jumps, that means the writer is telling it. I left from several inches beyond the take-up ball for a no jump on the second jump. That means try every time, but there is nothing here. He is not succeed. I was even, and he was what happened even worse. Did I come 3,000 miles for this? I thought bitterly. That means here he is telling, coming from that distance, mane 3,000 miles se asichen, but what? He was not able to qualify. That is the mistake. Suppose you are coming from distance to read, but if you are not able to read, what? The fault lies with you. So that's why to fall in the trials and make a fool of myself from the trial, he is not able to qualify, he is not getting success, and in which you will achieve the goal or achieve the medal. Walking in a few hours from pit, I kicked disgustedly at the ground. Suddenly, I felt a hand on my shoulder. That means someone is detecting that the player, Jesse Owens, is committing the mistake, and that is the blunder for which he will maybe depart from the Olympic game or not get any medal. I turned to look to the friendly blue eyes of the tall German long jumper. He had easily qualified for the finals. On his first attempt, he offered me a farm handshake. Farm handshake, that means a kind of situation he realized what happened to them. Jesse Owens, that means that fellow is coming and doing anything or discussing with the author, and what happened? Jesse Owens and Ruslan, I don't think we have met. He spoke English well, though with a German twist to it. That means he is speaking English well, but making something German twist. Suppose I am teaching you, there is a mixture from Odia and English. That's why Jesse Owens making the twist using English as well as German. Glad to meet you, I said, then trying to hide my nervousness. Glad to meet you. Here the author is trying, not showing his weakness to others. I added, how are you? I'm fine. The question is, how are you? What do you mean? I asked. That means the counter replied. When I am asking, how are you? Here he is asking, how are you? Something must be eating you, he said. Proud the way the foreigners are when they have mastered a bit of American slang. That means they are using the slang. Slang means that word which will make irritate or agitate a player. You should be able to qualify with your eyes closed. You should be. That means here he is giving the assurance. It is a assurance. Believe me, I know it. I told him, and it felt good to say and to someone. For the next few minutes, we walked together. That means now the author realized he has some friendly appearance or friendly relations with Jesse Allen, and I did not tell the long what was eating me, but he seemed to understand my anger. That means here he was able to identify me, and he took pains to reassure me, although he had been schooled in Nazi youth movement. That means you know Nazi. Recently, if you tell about the word Nazi, all the people hated you. All the people say about recollecting about the killing of the mass by Adolf Hitler, the Dark Horror. During that time, such situation was happened. He did not believe in the Aryan supremacy business any more than I did. We laughed over the fact that he really looked at the part, though an inch taller than I. He had a lean, muscular frame. Now the author is going to explain about the physical appearance, physical posture, physical structure, or the physical attire of your Lislam. Finally, seeing that I had calmed down somewhat, he pointed to the checkerboard. He had given the suggestion. Look, he said, why don't you draw a line few inches? That is the special trick, special method. Eita thila tankara special suggestion to Jesse Allen. You should draw a line before going to the checkerboard. At the back of the board and aim at making from the tech there, you will be sure not to foul and you will certainly how to jump far enough to qualify. That means if you follow this method, ତମେ ଯଦି ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗାରଟାଣେ ନିଜକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିବ, then you will definitely achieve the success. What does it matter if you are not fast in the trials? Tomorrow is what counts. That is the thing. Suppose we are reading, if you not achieve the success, nobody will thank you. Reading is not a matter, everybody is reading. So that's why here Islam is advising Jesse Allen that if you will come from the distance but not doing anything, then who will know you? Who will respect you? Everything is vague, everything was fake, and it is a sense of mockery. Samaste tomorrow moja udeve. Suddenly all the tension seemed to ebb out of my body as the truth of what he said to hit me. That means the proper suggestion, proper guidance, and the proper correction or rectification or the suggestion given by me by Luzla. ଏଠି ଲେଖକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରପର ସଜେସନ୍ ଦେଲା ପରେ ସେ ନିଜର ଭୁଲଟାକୁ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ. That means for this purpose he want to change himself. I drew a line, then follow him, drew a line a foot behind the board and proceeded to jump from there. I qualified with almost a foot to spare. That means in this way he was able to achieve the success thanks to Luzla. So a friend in need is a friend indeed. So in the proper time he will come to guide him, to console him, to suggest you and to change, to rectify, to give. And he is just like a guardian angel to Jesse Allen. So please share and subscribe my channel and click the like button, and thank you.